Hi everyone, glad to see you again. Welcome back to my channel Cyber Network. Today we have something incredibly exciting lined up for you. Many believe that hacking with C is an esoteric art, practiced only by shadowy figures in dark rooms, illuminated by the eerie glow of their computer screens. This image, while exciting, couldn't be further from the truth. The reality of hacking with C is far more diverse and inclusive. C language hacking, while requiring skill and dedication, is accessible to anyone willing to learn. It's a journey that starts with curiosity and a desire to understand how things work at a fundamental level. It's not about magic, but about understanding the intricate dance between code and machine. This dance involves learning the syntax and semantics of C and how it communicates with the hardware. The myth of the untouchable C hacker persists, but the reality is far more interesting. In truth, C hackers are often collaborative, working in teams to solve complex problems and create innovative solutions. The true power of C hacking lies not in its complexity, but in its simplicity, its elegance. The language allows for a level of control and efficiency that is unparalleled. Its ability to interact with the very building blocks of computer systems is what makes it so powerful. This interaction is where the magic happens, where code meets hardware and creates something new. It's a power available to anyone willing to delve into the world of ones and zeros. This world is not just for the elite or the mysterious. It's for anyone with a passion for learning and a willingness to explore. The community of C hackers is diverse and welcoming, filled with individuals from all walks of life who share a common interest in the power of code. There are countless resources available for those who wish to learn, from online tutorials to community college courses to mentorship programs. The journey of learning C is filled with challenges, but each challenge is an opportunity to grow and improve. Debugging code, solving problems, and seeing your programs come to life is incredibly rewarding. The excitement of seeing your code run successfully, of creating something from nothing, is a feeling like no other. It's a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the endless possibilities of technology. Sharing your knowledge and creations with others, collaborating on projects, and contributing to the community are all part of the C hacking experience. The learning never stops. Even experienced C hackers are always discovering new techniques, new ways to optimize their code, and new challenges to tackle. Attending conferences, networking with other programmers, and staying up to date with the latest developments in the field are all part of the journey. Brainstorming ideas, writing code, and seeing your ideas come to life is what makes C hacking so fulfilling. It's a creative process that combines logic, problem-solving, and innovation. The sense of accomplishment that comes from mastering a difficult concept or completing a challenging project is unmatched. It's a reminder of what you can achieve with dedication and hard work. Passing on your knowledge to the next generation of coders, mentoring others, and helping them on their journey is one of the most rewarding aspects of being a C hacker. The community celebrates each other's achievements, supports one another through challenges, and grows together. It's a vibrant, dynamic, and inclusive world. So if you're ready to dive into the world of C hacking, know that it's a journey worth taking. With determination, curiosity, and a willingness to learn, you can unlock the true power of C and become part of this incredible community. Born in the Bell Labs, a place renowned for its groundbreaking innovations and scientific advancements, C emerged in the early 1970s, during a time when computing technology was rapidly evolving and the need for a more efficient programming language was becoming increasingly apparent. It was the brainchild of Dennis Ritchie, a visionary computer scientist whose work would leave an indelible mark on the world of programming. This elegant language, with its direct access to hardware and memory, quickly gained traction among programmers and developers. Its design was both simple and powerful, allowing for efficient and effective coding. C became the backbone of operating systems like Unix, which revolutionized the way computers operated and interacted with users. Its influence is undeniable. The principles and structures of C have permeated countless other programming languages that followed. Indeed, C's DNA can be found in a myriad of programming languages, from C++ to Java, and even modern languages like Python and Go. Its syntax and concepts have become foundational in the field of computer science. C's power lies in its simplicity and flexibility, It provides programmers with the tools to write efficient code that can run on a wide variety of hardware platforms. It provides low-level access to system hardware, enabling developers to write programs that can interact directly with the computer's memory and processor. This capability allows programmers to manipulate memory directly, giving them the ability to optimize performance and manage resources with precision. However, this direct access is a double-edged sword that grants both power and responsibility. While it allows for great control and efficiency, it also requires careful management to avoid errors and vulnerabilities. This makes C an ideal language for system programming, embedded systems, and yes, even hacking. Its versatility and efficiency have made it a staple in the toolkit of programmers around the world, and its legacy continues to shape the future of technology. Many associate C hacking with brute force attacks, endless lines of code hammering away at a system's defenses. The image of a hacker relentlessly trying password after password or bombarding a system with countless requests is a common one. While brute force has its place, it's a crude tool compared to the finesse and precision C offers. Brute force is like using a sledgehammer to crack a nut, effective but often messy and inefficient. True C hackers rely on understanding, not just of the code itself, but of the underlying system architecture. They delve deep into the intricacies of the system, learning its strengths and weaknesses. Exploiting vulnerabilities in C code requires surgical precision, a deep understanding of memory management, and the ability to anticipate how the system will react to carefully crafted inputs. It's about knowing where to make the smallest change to create the biggest impact. It's not about forcing your way in, but about subtly manipulating the system's own rules to achieve your goals. This requires patience, skill, and a deep knowledge of both the C language and the system you're working with. A true C hacker spends hours, even days, studying the system, understanding its every nuance. They look for the smallest cracks in the armor, the tiniest vulnerabilities that can be exploited. They write and test code meticulously, ensuring that every line is perfect. They debug with a fine-toothed comb, looking for any potential issues that could be exploited. And when they finally gain access, it's not through brute force, but through a deep understanding and careful manipulation of the system. It's a victory of intellect over brute strength. This is the true art of C hacking. It's not just about breaking in, but about understanding, manipulating, and ultimately mastering the system. It's a game of chess, not a boxing match. So, the next time you think of hacking, remember it's not just about brute force. It's about skill, precision, and a deep understanding of the system. It's about being a master of your craft. CCC's elegance lies in its simplicity. It provides a concise set of tools that, when wielded by a skilled hacker, can unlock a world of possibilities. Its direct access to memory allows for the manipulation of data structures, bypassing security measures, and potentially gaining control of the system. This direct access, however, comes with a price. C's lack of built-in safety nets means that even a small error in code can have catastrophic consequences. This unforgiving nature is what makes C hacking both challenging and rewarding. Section 5. Real-world exploits where C code met vulnerability. History is littered with examples of C code vulnerabilities leading to major security breaches. The infamous Morris worm, unleashed in 1988, exploited a buffer overflow vulnerability in a Unix service written in C, crippling a significant portion of the early internet. More recently, the Heartbleed bug, discovered in 2014, exposed a vulnerability in OpenSSL, a widely used cryptography library written in C. This vulnerability allowed attackers to steal sensitive information, including passwords and encryption keys, from servers believed to be secure. Section 6. The art of exploitation, beyond the code itself. C language hacking is more than just writing code. It's about understanding the ecosystem in which the code operates. Hackers need to be adept at reverse engineering, analyzing compiled code to understand its inner workings and identify potential weaknesses. They also need to be familiar with debugging tools, which allow them to step through code execution, examining variables and memory locations to understand how the program behaves under different conditions. Section 7. Navigating the challenges. When C hacking gets tough. C hacking is not for the faint of heart. It presents a unique set of challenges, from understanding complex memory models to debugging code without the safety net of higher-level languages. One wrong move can lead to a system crash, requiring patience and persistence to succeed. However, these challenges are not insurmountable. A strong foundation in computer science fundamentals, combined with a willingness to experiment and learn from mistakes, is essential for any aspiring C hacker. Section 8. The importance of understanding C for programmers. While not everyone aspires to be a hacker, understanding the principles of C language hacking is crucial for any programmer. It fosters a security-first mindset, encouraging developers to write more secure code by understanding the vulnerabilities that hackers exploit. By understanding how hackers think, programmers can anticipate potential weaknesses in their own code and implement safeguards to mitigate risks. This knowledge is invaluable in today's interconnected world, where software vulnerabilities can have far-reaching consequences. Thanks for watching and learning with us. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. We value your feedback. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Stay safe online, cyber network.